slingshot is broken. I can take a piece of twine and fix it. I am a super tinkerer. I can fix everything. The twine slingshot is fixed. Let's try again. Quacky! Kiki! My slingshot is broken. I can't shoot far. Let me see. This is because you used the wrong rope. Wrong rope? So what kind of rope should I use? Let's go to the magical laboratory and explore together. Practice your hands and brain. Let's create together. To the laboratory. Let's go. Let's use different ropes to make slingshots. And see which slingshot can shoot the farthest. Rubber band slingshot. Twine slingshot. Ribbon slingshot. Pull it and see how far you can shoot a small paper ball. Twine slingshot. Rubber band slingshot. Ribbon slingshot. Did you figure it out? Which slingshot shoots the farthest? You got it! A rubber band slingshot can shoot very far. The slingshot made of rubber band can shoot a small ball of paper farther. It's because of the elasticity. When you apply force, the rubber band stretches. When you let go, it will shorten. So this is elasticity. That's right. There are a lot of things that have elasticity besides rubber bands. What other things have elasticity? Let's check it out. I want to know if these things have elasticity. Spring. Balloon. Sponge. Iron ball. Rubber bands. Play-Doh. Twine. Block. Let's do an experiment. Press and see who is more elastic. Play-Doh is less elastic. A sponge is more elastic. Press it. A spring is more elastic. A block is less elastic. Press it. A rubber balloon is very elastic. An iron ball has poor elasticity. Pull it. The rubber band has high elasticity. The twine has poor elasticity. The experiment is complete. Quacky, what did you find out? Rubber bands, spring, sponge, balloon. These things are very elastic. There are many items in life that are made of elastic materials. Let's take a look. What have you found that is elastic? Hey, bouncing on a spring bed. A spring horse is so springy. Use waistband to tighten pants. Stretch socks can be stretched easily. Kiki! And this. The rubber band can shoot the small paper ball very far. Kids, there are still many elastic things in our life. You can find out with your mom and dad.